In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for Jotform. QR codes can be an incredibly useful tool for sharing information quickly and efficiently. Whether you're looking to share a link to your Jotform survey, application, or questionnaire, creating a QR code can make it easier for your audience to access your form on their mobile devices. Let's dive into how you can create one using Jotform's built-in features. First, ensure you're logged into your Jotform account. Once there, navigate to the specific form you want to generate a QR code for. You'll need to be in the form builder to follow the upcoming steps. After opening your chosen form, you'll want to head over to the Publish tab. This is where all your sharing options are located. Under the Publish tab, you'll notice a section labeled Quick Share. Here you'll find the direct link to your form. This is the URL that you would typically share with your audience. However, to make it even more accessible, you can generate a QR code. Right next to this direct link, there's a small QR code icon. Clicking on it will instantly create a QR code specifically linked to your form. This process is seamless and eliminates any need for external QR code generators. Once your QR code is generated, you have the option to download it. This makes it easy to add the QR code to various materials, whether it's a flyer, an email, or even a website. By incorporating this QR code into your outreach materials, your audience can simply scan it with their smartphones, and they'll be directed straight to your form. It's a simple yet powerful way to broaden your form's reach. Moving on to another handy feature, let's discuss how you can incorporate a QR code directly within your Jotform. This is ideal if you'd like to link to other resources from within your form itself. Again, start in the Form Builder where you have editing capabilities for your form. On the left side of the Form Builder, find and click on the Widgets tab. Here, you're going to search for QR code. Once you find the QR code widget, drag and drop it into your form where you want it to appear. After placing the widget, you'll be prompted to enter the link or the text you want to encode. This could be another URL, a special promotion, or any relevant piece of information you want to share within your form. As soon as you input this data, the widget will automatically generate and display a QR code right within your form, making it interactive and engaging for users. There you have it. With these steps, you're well equipped to create QR codes using Jotform, both for external sharing and for embedding within your forms. This functionality can enhance users' interaction with your forms and streamline their experience. Happy creating!